Hello everyone, good day. It's me again, Teacher Tina. And in this video, we will talk about operations of radicals, specifically addition and subtraction of similar and dissimilar radicals. So this is for grade 9 mathematics. Okay, so addition and subtraction of radicals. In adding or subtracting radicals, you can only add or subtract similar radicals. So kapag sinabi nating similar radicals, ito yung magkakatulad ng index or it's either square root, cube root, fourth root, at dapat magkatulad din sila ng radicand or yung number na nasa loob ng radical sign. So to add or subtract similar radicals, add or subtract the coefficients of the radical number and copy the common radicals. So kapag sinabing coefficient of the radical number, ito ay ang mga number na nasa labas ng radical sign or radical symbol. And then, kokopyahin lang natin yung same or common radicals para sa ating answer. Okay, so now, let us have the examples. So, one, we have 4 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2. So, kung mapapansin ninyo dito sa given example, siya ay similar radicals na. So, paano natin nasabi na siya ay similar radicals? So, dito, magkakatulad na siya ng radicals which is square root of 2. So, yung ating example, lahat ng radicals niya is square root of 2. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na nating i-add or i-subtract ang kanyang mga coefficients. So, ang coefficients niya is 4. Okay, so ito yung mga coefficients natin. 4, then, blanco, and negative 2. So, kapag katulad nito na wala siyang nakalagay na coefficient sa left side ng radicals, so automatically na meron tayong coefficient na 1. So, magiging 4 plus 1 minus 2 square root of 2. So, pwede na nating i-add yung kanyang mga coefficients. So, 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2. So, we have 3 square root of 2. So, that is the final answer. So, dito, mapapansin nyo, dahil nga magkakatulad na siya ng radicals, kinopya na lang natin dito yung radicals na square root of 2. Then, ini-add lang natin yung kanyang mga coefficients. Next example, we have 5 square root of 4 minus 2 square root of 4. So, again, they are similar radical kasi parehong square root of 4. So, ngayon, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. So, isusubtract natin ang kanyang mga coefficient na 5 and 2. So, 5 minus 2 square root of 3. So, the answer is 3 square root of 4. But then, yung square root of 4, pwede pa natin kunin yung, or pwede nating i-extract yung kanyang square root. Kasi, yung 4 natin is perfect square. So, ang square root ng 4 is 2. So, therefore, we're going to multiply the coefficient 3 and the square root of 4, which is 2. So, the final answer is 6. Okay, another example. So we have 3 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 5. So dito naman, meron tayong magkatulad na radical and merong isang naiiba. So ibig sabihin, ang pwede lang nating i-add is itong magkaparehong radical and that will become 3 plus 5 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 5. Again, dahil ito ay magkapareho ng radical which is square root of 3, kaya pwede nating i-add ang kanyang coefficient. Since itong isa, siya ay square root of 5, so hindi natin siya pwedeng i-add dito sa isang ito kasi nga ang radical niya is square root of 3. So ngayon, isimplify natin. So 3 plus 5 is 8 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 5. So dahil nga magkaiba siya ng radical sign or ng radical, so ito is square root of 5, then this one is square root of 3, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-subtract. Okay? So now, the final answer is 8 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 5. Okay, another example. So we have 2 square root of 50 plus square root of 8 minus 3 square root of 2. So dito naman, magkakaiba sila or iba-iba ang kanyang radical. So ang radical na ginamit dito is square root of 50, square root of 8, and square root of 2. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi natin isi-simplify yung 50 at saka yung 8, ay ito na ang ating magiging final answer. Pero, dahil pwede naman nating i-factor or pwede nating i-simplify yung 50 and 8, so hahanapan or gagawa natin ng paraan para magkameron siya ng magkakatulad na radical. So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan nating i-factor yung 50 and yung 8. So, ang factors ng 50, we have 25 times 2 and ang factors naman ng 8, we have 4 times 2. Okay. So, dito, ito na yung factors ng 50. So, we have 2 square root of 2 times 25 plus square root of 2 times 4 minus 3 square root of 2. Okay, so ngayon, itong 25 and itong 4, they are perfect square. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating kuhanin ang square root ng 25 and ng 4. And then, pag nakuha natin yung square root ng 25, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply sa 2. Ganon din, kapag nakuha natin yung square root ng 4, kailangan natin siyang ilabas din sa radical symbol or din sa radical sign. Okay, so now we have 2 times 5 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 minus 3 square root of 2. So again, itong 5, kaya siya nagkameron ng 5 dahil kinuha natin ang square root ng 25. Ganon din dito, kaya siya nagkameron ng 2 kasi kinuha natin ang square root of 4. Okay, so bago natin siya i-add, dahil pare-pareho na yung kanyang radicals, isimplify muna natin itong 2 times 5. So 2 times 5, we have 10 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 minus 3 square root of 2. So dito sa part na to, they are similar radicals. So ang gagawin na natin ngayon, we're going to add or subtract or add and subtract their coefficients. So ano-ano nga ulit yung ating mga coefficients? We have 10, 2, and 3. So we have 2 are 10 plus 2 minus 3 square root of 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12 minus 3. So we have 9 square root of 2, and the final answer is 9 square root of 2. And for our last example, we have 2x cube root of 24x plus 5 cube root of 81x to the fourth power or raised to 4. So dito, magkatulad sila ng index which is 3. So yung index ay nandito. So siya yung index. Pareho siya ng index which is square root of 3. And mayroon na tayong isinamang mga variables which is x. So dito, kailangan magkatulad ang kanilang radicand. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nating i-factor yung 24x and kailangan din nating i-factor yung 81x cube. So, we have to simplify the radical by getting the factor of 24x and 81x raised to 4. So, para makuha natin ang kanilang cube root or ang factors ng 24x is 24, or ang factor ng 24x is 8 and 3x. So, paano siya naging 8 and 3x? So, ito yung factors niya. Okay, so kapag i-multiply natin yung 8 times 3x, ang magiging answer natin is 24x. Ganon din, kailangan nating i-factor yung 81x to the fourth power. So, ang factors niya is 27x cubed times 3x. Okay. So, bakit ito ay naging x cubed and ito ay x lang? So, kapag ini-add natin yung kanyang exponent which is 1 or 3 and 1, so siya ay magiging 4. Or pag i-multiply natin yung x cubed times x, so that will become x raised to 4. And pag i-multiply natin yung 27 and 3, that will become 81. So ito, meron pang ibang factors yung 81. Pwede rin natin pwedeng maging factor yung 9 times 9. Kaya lang, hindi natin makukuha ang cube root ng 9. So dito sa 27, makukuha natin yung cube root ng 27, kaya masisimplify natin ito. Okay. So now, okay, so we have 2x times 2 cube root of 3x plus 5 times 3x cube root of 3x. So, saan nanggaling yung 2? Okay. So, nung in-extract natin yung 8 or yung cube root ng 8, siya ay magiging 2. Kasi yung 8, this is perfect cube. Paano natin nasabi na perfect cube? So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng number ng 3 beses, kailangan 8 yung magiging answer and yung number na yon is 2. So, we have 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Ganon din dito sa 27x cube. So, kapag in-extract natin yung cube root, so, x times x times x, so siya ay x cube. So, we have x here. And kapag in-extract din natin yung 27, so siya ay 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Kaya ang cube root ng 27x cube is 3x. And ang cube root naman ng 8 is 2. So ngayon, isimplify muna natin. So yung 2 times x and 5 times 3x. So we have 2x times 2 is 4x square root or cube root of 3x. So, inilagay lang natin siya dito or itinabi lang natin. Plus 5 times 3x is 15x. Then, itinabi lang ulit natin yung cube root of 3x. So, dito, again, they are similar radicals. So, dito meron na tayong cube root of 3x. Then, dito sa isa, meron din tayong cube root of 3x. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating isimplify yung 4x and 15x. So, i-add natin 4x plus 15x cube root of 3x. So, dito, sa algebra, pwede lang tayong mag-add ng similar yung variable. So, dito pareho yung variables niya, parehong x, and pareho din yung kanyang exponent na 1. So, they are similar. So, 4x plus 15x, so this is equal to 19x. Then, kokopyahin lang ulit natin yung radical, which is cube root of 3x. So, the final answer is 19x cube root of 3x. Okay, so now, let us summarize what we have learned about addition and subtraction of similar and dissimilar radicals. So again, to add or subtract similar radicals, we have to add or subtract only the coefficients of the radical number and copy the common radicals. Okay, so thank you for watching this video at abangan ang part 2 ng video na ito para sa multiplication and division of radicals. Good luck, God bless, and happy learning everyone!